So we start off with someone who has hair just past their shoulders. Stylist dyes the hair a gorgeous shade of chocolate brown. And then cuts the hair into a fresh bob haircut. Very nice. This bob is absolutely gorgeous. It features nice blunt ends and I'm loving the color. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at some hair transformations. So here we have someone with hair just around their shoulders, and the stylist cuts the hair into this chic pixie bob cut and gives the client some green chunky highlights. Very nice. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next up, we have someone who has a pixie who's in for a cut refresh. Very nice baby bangs in the front. Love the choppy layers that she did for the cuts. Beautifully done. And then we have someone rocking out a mullet. Now she has got some very thick hair. A few pops of copper sprinkled in here. And the stylist is simply removing bulk from the cut once again, like the previous style. Very nice. So next up we have someone with long mid-back length hair. And the stylist chops the hair into a beautiful bob. Looks like she also mixed in some highlights as well. And we are still seeing a lot of chunky highlights this season. Here we have someone with shoulder length hair. And the stylist chops the hair into a nice pixie bob, once again doing some chunky highlights, this time in green. Next up, we have someone who looks like they might be in for a cut and color refresh. Stylist colored the hair, looks like a nice chocolate brown. Almost a little coppery coloring as well. We'll see how it looks exactly when the hair is dried. Oh, wow. Beautiful asymmetrical pixie shape. She got her makeup done as well. She looks absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful transformation. Alright you guys, I hope you did enjoy checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.